Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to your English class. I'm your teacher Maliha and today we will do again capital letters. But before that, look at the board. Our letters for today are I, J, K, L. But before that, let's reinforce the sounds of these letters. This is I. I says yes, tell me. I says E. I says E. This is J. J says J. J says J. This is letter K. And K says K. K says K. Very good. This is L. L says L. L says L. Very good. Now let's learn the capital letters of these sounds. Are you ready for this work? Take out your books. Page number is 64. Yes, page number 64. Now we will write down the date and the day after that we will start our work. So come on, take out your sharpened pencils. Very good. Read it. D-A-T-E, date. What? This is date. Now write with me. Today is 2nd of December. So for this, we will write down 02. 02 dot 12. 1 and 2 makes 12. 02 dot 12 dot 20. 2 and 0, 20. Today is Wednesday. For Wednesday, over here write down capital W, a slanting line, go up and another slanting line, again come down, slanting line and a slanting line. W, E, D, N, E, S. W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. Day, Wednesday, Wednesday. Trace and write. Now we have to write these letters. This is capital I. This is capital I and it is very easy. Put your pencil on the dot. Come down straight, touch line number 3 and stop. Now pick up your pencil, make a sleepy line on line number 1 and a sleepy line on line number 3. This is very easy. This is capital I. This is capital I. Next we have capital J. And for J it is also very easy. You have to put your pencil on the dot, line number 1. Come down, touch line number 3 and make a curve. Go up and stop on line number 2. Pick up your pencil and make a sleepy line on line number 2 like this. This is J. This is letter J. Come to the next letter, K. K is also very easy. I know you all can do it. Put your pencil on the dot, a straight line in the middle, 3 lines like this. Good. Pick up your pencil. With a little space, put your pencil here, make a slanting line and touch line number 2 like this. And from here, again make a slanting line like this and stop on line number 3. Very good. This is capital K. This is capital K. Come to the next letter, L. This is capital L. This is also very easy. Put your pencil on the dot, come down straight, touch line number 3 and from here make a sleepy line. Wow, this is very easy. Now let's do it once again. Now put your pencil on the dot, straight line and 2 sleepy lines, one on line number 1 and one on line number 3. No one will make long sleepy lines. This is wrong. It should be small lines. Okay? Good. Now calm down. Next is J. Pencil on the dot. Touch. And nobody is going to make big curves. This is also wrong. Curve should be small lines. Touch line. And again a sleepy line. Good. For K, again come here. A straight line in the first three lines. Pick up your pencil. A slanting line. Stop here and slanting line. Stop here. No one will go too much away from here, this much. This is wrong. You have to give distance, 1 finger distance. L, capital L is very easy. A straight line and a sleepy line on line number 3. Once again, a straight line and a sleepy line on line number 3. Rest of the lines you will do it yourself. Come down, it says reinforcement. Reinforcement. Over here we have capital I and small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L and small l. Now you all know how to write small letters and we have done these capital letters. So these next 2 lines you will do it yourself. Now come down and it says read. Now you have to read it. What is this? I. And this is small I. I says E. E, insect. E, insect. Good. This is capital J and small j. J says J. J says J. J, jug. J, jug. This is K. K says K. K says K. This is capital K and this is small k. K, key. K, key. This is capital L and this is small l. L says L. L, lion. L, lion. Excellent. Now you have to complete this work with a neat handwriting and you will get sticker stars if you will do it with a neat handwriting. I will see you in the next lesson. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.